What's up, everybody? It's Jackie here with my beautiful nieces. This is
Ella.
And this is
Maddie.
They came all the way down from Washington State just to give their good old Aunt Jackie a good old-fashioned makeover. Now, the makeover is with a little twist. We're doing a beauty battle. So Maddie's going to take over the left side of my face, and Ella's going to take over the right side of my face. And you guys are going to comment down below who you think is the winner. So, girls, get started.
Okay. Oh, I'm new to this.
That's one way to put on foundation. No, you're only getting the left side, remember?
I'm starting with the eyebrows first, so... Okay, I'll use this one.
I'm going to move a little
Do I
closer.
use this one? This one? This one? Do I use
Yeah,
this?
yeah.
Does that look better? You don't have black? Less bushy?
Yeah, wow. That's actually a really good eyebrow, Maddie. That's really good. Ooh, Ella's eyebrows got some work. It's beautiful.
Close your eyes. Actually, it's a good eyebrow. I've never done eyebrows before in my life.
It's a good eyebrow. That looks like an eyebrow I would do.
So it's good?
Yeah, it's good.
Yay! Okay. My side is looking good. I'm so proud of myself. I've never done this before.
Good job, Maddie.
Okay. Where are the lipsticks?
Oh, you're not going to do eyeshadow?
I'm going to do it after the lipstick. I just feel like I need lipstick right now.
Okay, well.
I'm going to get the most vibrant lipstick.
Wait, you do half of
like
this.
the darkest.
Do your half, okay? Do your half. Oh, look good. Maddie.
I'm not used to doing it to other people. So just mix it. Close your mouth.
This is weird. I never really do my lips before my face is done.
Okay, I'm gonna try to fix that. Oh my gosh. I'm such a noob.
What's a noob?
You.
Okay, can I see your lips? Do
What?
the same one.
You're doing the same lipstick color?
Black?
Are you going to do any eyeshadow?
Yes, obviously.
The camera's going to freaking die by the time you finish.
And how many minutes will that be in? While she's doing that, I'll do some eyeshadow. And then I'll put
Rub it together?
this on.
Good.
You want to do some blush?
Sure. Blush.
Which one did you want to use?
What is this?
There's Max blush.
Comment down below
Where's
if you're
the
good at
blush
doing
from?
makeup.
Or she's going to do this one and this one.
Okay, let's do it.
How do I look?
Both of which I got from BoxyCharm. Maddie, you're supposed to be doing my makeup.
What color should I do?
Wait,
Whatever you want.
tomorrow we should put some makeup on you, the ones that you want to wear. Then we can do it. We have to do it super fast and super good. She doesn't want to go out and look like a freak.
So, are you saying this is a good makeup?
Yeah.
This is not a good makeup look?
Yeah, I kind of
Close your
messed up, but it's okay. Why is it white?
It's like a shimmery
Green.
kind of greenish. Close your eyes. Jeez.
Ooh, vibrant.
I've never used that blush before.
It's good. You can get too much blush.
You're freaking out.
Oh my god!
It's beautiful.
Sure.
Okay.
I think that's enough blush.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, what are you doing now? Toning it down?
Okay, this is enough. No more blush. And now, I need a thing for...
Blush much?
I need something for the bum.
Wait, you need something for the what?
This.
Like to buff it out?
Yeah.
Okay, you should use this brush. And just like, no, actually this is a good brush. Let's use this clean brush and just try to like blend.
It's so ratchet. Where's the highlighter?
Okay, you can pick from
Okay.
these colors. So for highlight, Ella's going to be using the Glow Kit.
Close your eyes.
Move your hand because you're blocking the
Close
screen.
your eyes. Oh my gosh, the glitter's getting
Maddie, this is a good eye. You're really good at makeup. Did you decide to do the same color as Ella?
What
No.
color?
You?
No.
They look similar.
I'm gonna put this
Yeah,
down,
because I
okay?
used blue, just not the sparkly one.
Hey guys, how do you think about our side?
Comment down below which side looks worse.
Or better.
It's mine.
Or better, I
That's
guess.
a lot. Wow, look at that highlight. Yes, queen. Glow. Glow the house down.
Wow, that's super good,
Wow,
actually.
blinding. This is the most blinding
Move.
highlight. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if you wanna, yeah, you can see.
Did you see that?
Yeah, it's a lot of product.
Oh.
Look at your little hands.
My hands. Okay, where's the blush?
Well, it depends if you want to use the. You want to use this blush?
Ew, no.
This is actually my favorite one.
Okay, blush brush.
What are you doing now? More highlight?
Yeah, I'm mixing it in with that pink and that. Does it look good?
It's never looked better.
Cheekbone.
Cheekbones. Hello, cheekbones.
Hello, cheekbones.
Ooh, you look like a mermaid.
I'm gonna get the powder to fix my mistake.
You like. Okay.
Okay, where's...
Done.
Okay.
What's
We're just
this?
gonna leave that there.
I'm doing.
Oh, wow.
Eyeliner.
Mascara.
Mascara, I meant.
Don't poke my eye.
Gosh, it's gonna get in the wrong hand. Okay, stop
I
laughing.
got it, I got it. I
Hmm.
got it.
I think I'll do...
Yes.
No, use this brush.
Come on,
This one?
blink.
This one? This
Mhm.
one? Okay.
Oh, it's making it longer. Okay, you look good.
Ella's only 6 years old. She just turned 6, so don't say anything negative about her, or I'm gonna find out where you live and I'm gonna hunt you down. I see it.
I need a mix.
Okay.
Ooh, so far.
Wow, that worked.
Good job, Maddie.
I need to look for. I know what this is for.
That's foundation.
I know.
You're gonna put more foundation?
Yeah.
But that's usually in the beginning
What
step.
does that say?
The rocket. Why are you putting more foundation?
Cause.
Doo-doo. Anyways,
What are you?
that's about foundation stick.
Oh, more foundation. Oh, you're cleaning up the
And-
eyebrow.
It's a blending thing.
Look, I need
Hold
your
on,
eyes
hold on,
open.
hold on. Okay. Here.
Okay.
Oh my god.
What?
Look at her side of the face.
My side?
It's beautiful.
I know, right?
In your way. We don't have very much experience with this makeup, so don't judge us.
I know.
Okay,
Okay, now what?
gosh.
I'm done, so I'm gonna set the spray on her face.
Right on the lips. Okay, good job. Good job. Your work is beautiful.
Mine
And the lash
is done.
is on. Close. Very close. Perfect. That's good. That's good. This is Maddie's side in all of its beautiful glory. And this is Ella's side. And yeah, you guys can comment down below who you think won this beauty battle. Ella, do you have any last words for your look? What inspired this look?
I like the eyes that I did.
Okay.
The lipstick is good.
Mm-hmm.
The eyeshadow.
Good? Okay, Maddie. Maddie, do you have any final words about your side of the face?
I'm proud and I think I'll win.
Okay, very, very confident she is.
If you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up.
And while you're at it, you might as well push the subscribe button because it's like right next to each other.
Yeah, she's got a point there. So like and subscribe and leave a comment down below on who you think won this first ever beauty battle on my channel. It was wonderful having you girls here, so thank you for being in my video. And we'll see you guys in the next video.
Adios!